Everyone's watching the robot, but watch what it's really made of, the data.
This week, 4 companies put a humanoid robot on the factory floor. Samsung, Tesla, Unitree, Foxconn, all at once. And the internet already decided it's coming for your job. But watch what Samsung actually did, because the robot, that was the easy part. Samsung didn't just launch a robot, it launched a whole factory whose only product is data. They call it a robot data factory. Its job is to record every move a human makes on the line and feed it straight to the robot's brain. And here's what nobody's telling you. That brain, a vision language action model, is only as smart as the factory data behind it, not the compute. The data. That's the real secret. A 2026 survey of over 1,000 robot studies said it flat out. Data is the bottleneck, not the chip. So who actually wins the robot race? Not whoever builds the best hardware. It's whoever already owns the best factory data. And if you're on a plant floor, you've been building that data your whole career. Is it really it? Barely. But a figure robot at BMW already built 30,000 cars at 99% accuracy. Early, not fake. And for you? The scary headline is wrong. The robot takes the 3 a.m. job nobody wants. The job you actually want, deciding what good looks like, owning the data, that one just got more important. That could be you. Now, your FabSpeak tip of the week. You just watched robots run 3 tasks at once. You can too. Stop asking your AI one question at a time. Start assigning it. GitHub Copilot's new agents window, shipped this month, runs 3 agents side by side, each on its own task, with a live cost meter so you see what each one spends. I did this an hour ago, handed a background agent a big research pull, 30 creators' videos scored, walked away, and it pinged me when it was done. Assign it, walk away, come back to finished work. That's the Fab this week. New drop every week. Hit follow so the next one finds you. See you on the floor.